across the floor, coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view. Now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of right. Love what you have, right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some things don't need fixing, some never will. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a kind of magic in the simple stuff. City hum like a gentle song. Nothing here feels rushed or wrong. Used to think I'd missed my turn. Now I see there's more to learn. I don't need the perfect scene, just a life that feels like me. All the gold I couldn't see was already here quietly. Love what you have, right where you stand. No more reaching for another land. Here in the present, I understand. Everything I needed was close at hand. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a steady beauty in the simple stuff. Soft as a whisper, clear as a truth. I was searching for more, found it in you. I saw the way you looked at her like she lit a match inside your chest. Don't bother telling me it's harmless. I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed before you learned to forget me quick. I'm not the storm you thought I'd be. I'm quieter than you deserve, but every calm hides undertow. And baby, I have heard your words. You said you love me like no other. I guess she must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist, like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette, then burned through that girl you kissed. Like I was just your last regret. close you carry in your heavy hands. But I hope one night you see my face when you're trying hard to love again. So don't say her name, I carved it deep into the space you used to keep. The one that gave the tears I hid, the version of me you dismissed. Hope she knows who paid the price for that girl you kissed, and every lie behind that night. Yeah, I was that girl you kissed, and the one you left behind. I almost gave up on the time. Thought love was a train I missed. Watched it roll past in the distance, carrying all my wishes. I learned how to sleep in the silence, made peace with an empty side. Told myself I was fine alone, even when I lied. Almost every maybe, every door that closed on me let me hear without me knowing what it meant to be. You were the wait, every second, every heart, every tear that wouldn't fade led me to your arms that night. You were worth the fall, all the times I hit the bottom, all the nights I felt forgotten. Now I see it all so clear. Love showed up right here. You were the way. I wore my doubt like a shadow, let it follow everywhere. Built the walls out of questions no one could repair. Then you walked in like a sunrise, breaking through what I believed, and every piece I tried to hide, you could somehow see. If I'd met you back then, we would have slipped right through two unfinished stories, trying to make it true. The time was writing something better than I knew. Every broken moment was building me up. Yeah, you were worth the wait. Even on the nights I couldn't see what was waiting there for me. You were worth the wait. I wanna sing like birds sing, no reason, no warning, no perfect lines, no cage, no ceiling, just stare my lungs wide open, feeling. Let it rise, let it fall, let it break, let it ring. I don't need a name for anything. I just wanna sing like birds sing. I try to measure every song, pace every step, keep it all pinned down. But freedom lives where I let go, in all the places I don't control. There's a tremble I can't contain, a fragile kind of untamed. And even if it shakes my voice, it's still a louder kind of choice. Now every echo is turning true. I hear a version of something new. I wanna sing like birds sing, no reason. just wanna sing like birds sing. If it's uneven, let it be. If it's uncertain, let it breathe. I'm done holding back the sound I was meant to let out.